स्टार्ट करो, किसी ने याद नहीं दिलाया आज. Yes. So we are talking about this page replacement algorithm, and till yesterday's class we have seen first in first out, and today we are talking about optimal page replacement algorithm. In that we have seen that in case of optimal page replacement algorithm, we know that we have to replace that particular page which will not be used for the longest period of time, and we have solved one numerical based on it. Okay, and in that numerical we have seen that reference string we have kept similar to the yesterday's one, and we have seen that the number of page faults occurred are less. In FIFO, in the first algorithm FIFO we have implemented, the number of page faults were 9, whereas whenever we have applied optimal page replacement algorithm, we have seen that total number of page faults occur are 7, and whenever we have increased the number of frames, the number of page faults occur are 6. Okay, now this particular string is given to us. This is the reference string, and we have to apply the optimal page replacement algorithm. Say page fault occurs, 0 is also not there, we have to bring 0. Page fault occurred, 1 we have to bring it, and the page fault occurred. Now we have to decide which particular page we have to replace, because algorithm suggests the page which will not be used for the longest period of time, replace that particular page. So 7 is observed as the page which will not be used for the longest period of time, so replace 7 with 2. 0 and 1 will keep as it is. Page fault occurred, 0 is already there, so no page fault. Then 0 and 2 will be required, so replace 1 because 1 is not required, whereas 0 and 2 will be required over here. So 2 as it is, 0 as it is, 1 will be replaced by 3. Page fault occurred, 0 already there, no page fault. Then 2 and 3 are required, 0 is not required, so 2 is as it is, 0 will be replaced by 4, and 3 is also as it is. Page fault occurred, 2 is already there, no page fault. 3 is already there, no page fault. Then we want 0. 2 and 3 is required, so we'll replace 4. Okay, 2 is as it is, 0 will 4 will replace with 0. 3 as it is, page fault occurred. Then 3 is there, no page fault. 2 is there, no page fault. 1 is not there, so we have to replace 1. 1 means replace one page from the frames. So here 2 and 0 will be required, so we'll replace 3 with 1. 2, 0, 1, page fault occurs. Then 2 is already there, no page fault. 0 is already there, no page fault. 1 is also there, so no page fault. 7. Now 0 and 1 will require, so we'll replace 2 with 7. Page fault occurred. So total number of page faults are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. So everybody got the same number of page faults, 9. As compared to the earlier one. Earlier in FIFO, 15 number of page faults were occurred, whereas in optimal page replacement algorithm, only 9 page faults were occurred. So this is better than the earlier one. How many page faults occur? Please tell. How many number of page faults you got it? कितने पेज फॉल्ट्स आए हैं व्हेन वी आर यूजिंग 3 frames? Come on, tell me the number of page faults when 3 frames were used and number of page faults when 4 frames were used. Come on. Have you done it or not? हुआ है या नहीं? Yes or no? Come on, confirm. First 3 frames. Number of page faults whenever we are using 3 frames. How many number of page faults you? कितने आए? Everybody, please do it fast. 3 frames, number of page faults equals to 9. सबके आए हैं क्या? Whether everybody got the similar number of page faults? अरे बाकी लोग सो गए क्या? With 4 frames, tell me fast. बहुत slow जा रहे हो आप. I've done it very quickly. Tell me fast. With 4 number of frames, how many page faults will occur? Parallelly, I am also doing it. You should do it in a faster manner than I am doing. Okay. So 0, 1, 7 is not required for a longer time. Here no page fault because 0 is already there. So 7 will be replaced by 3, 0, 1, 2. Page fault occurs. Then 0 is already there, no page fault. Then 4 we want. 2 is 2 we are require. 2 will require. 3 will also require. 0 will also require. So 1 will not require. So replace 1. 3, 0. 1 is replaced with 4 and 2. Page fault occurs. And 2 is there. 3 is there. 0 is also there. 3 is there. 2 is there. 1 is not there. And I can see that we won't require 4 as well as 3 for a longer period of time. And the first in is 3. 3 पहले आया है तो replace 3. Okay, 1, 0, 4, 2. Each fault occurs. Then 2 is already there, 0 is there, 1 is there. Now we have to replace 7. And to whom we will replace the first in, first out. So 2 is first in. So we'll replace 2. 1, 0. 2 is replaced with 7. Page fault occurs. 0, 1 as it is. Number of page faults 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total number of page fault occurs are 8. What is your answer? Let me know. आपके कितने पेज फॉल्ट्स आए हैं? Come on, tell me fast. आप बहुत slow जा रहे हैं. What I feel is. Yes, number of page faults 8 for 4 frames. Whether everybody is getting the same answer? क्या सबको सेम आंसर मिल रहा है? Please confirm whether everybody is getting the similar number of page Okay, so everybody got the similar answer. I hope everybody is finished with it now. क्या सबका हो गया है? Yes, optimal page replacement algorithm is over now. The only issue with this particular algorithm is how do we know which particular frame will be required in future? That is what the biggest issue with this particular algorithm. In other words, I can say that this algorithm suggests us to replace the page number which will not be used for the longest period of time. मतलब हमें future prediction का अंदाज होना चाहिए for doing or for performing this particular algorithm. This is practically impossible. How we would come to know कि कौन सा frame request किया जाएगा and कौन सा नहीं किया जाएगा. So it is quite critical. That's why this particular algorithm is really difficult to implement. Theoretically, it's nice to implement, but practically, it's really difficult. And that's why this particular algorithm is practically difficult to implement. Nowadays, with machine learning algorithms and all, you can predict, but this prediction has accuracy up to certain amount. Okay, 100% it cannot be accurate. Okay. Then next algorithm is least. जो पेज least recently used है, we are going to replace that particular page. Means the page which we will replace is that particular page which was not used for the longer period of time. मतलब हम ऐसे पेज को अब रिप्लेस करने वाले हैं जो बहुत समय से यूज नहीं हो रहा है या सबसे पहले यूज हुआ था, लीस्ट रिसेंटली यूज. ओके, just take a reference, just take a overlook. 7 not there, so bring it. 0 not there, bring it. 1 not there, bring it. Now least recently used सबसे पुराना अब इसमें कौन सा है? So 7 is the oldest one, so replace 7 with 2. 0 already there, no page fault. Then check which one is the oldest one. Okay, somebody may have a confusion कि जीरो हमने यहाँ पे जीरो इज ओल्डर देन वन, ऐसा अगर आपको लग रहा है तो नो, इट्स नॉट देयर, बिकॉज जीरो वी हैव यूज्ड हियर वंस. मतलब जीरो को हमने यहाँ पे यूज किया है, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नॉट लीस्ट रिसेंटली. Out of these three, one is the oldest element which we were not used for the longest period of time. Zero we were used, that's why we are not replacing zero, we are replacing one with three. Okay, then 0 again we used. Now here we have to decide to which we have to replace. So 0 recently used, 3 recently used, so 2 is the oldest one, so replace 2 with 4. Okay, then check here. 402 already, acha 2 not there, sorry 2 यहाँ पे नहीं है, so we have to replace 1. So 0 and 4 are recently used, so least recently used 3, so replace 3 with 2. Okay, now again we have to bring 3, so 2 and 3 are recently used. Okay, sorry 3 हमें लाना है, 2 and 4 are recently used, we need to replace this 0 with 3, तो हमने यहाँ से 0 हटाया, 3 replace किया. Then 2 and 3 are recently used, so least recently used was 4, so replace 4 with 0, तो यहाँ पे हमने 0 से replace किया. Okay, then 3 is there, 2 is there, 1 अब हमें लाना है. 2 and 3 are recently used, 0 is the least recently used, so replace 0 with 1. 3 and 2 as it is, 2 है हमारे पास, 0 नहीं है, so 1 and 2 is recently used, least recently मतलब 3, so replace 3 with 0, ये हमने 0 को replace कर दिया. 1 we already have it. Sorry, I don't know when I was out of the meeting. I was not able to recognize कि मैं मीटिंग के बाहर कब चला गया था. Please can somebody tell me कि आपने कब तक सुना है? Somebody can tell me. कहाँ तक मैं connected था? From where I should repeat? कहाँ से repeat करना है? LRU explanation I need to repeat. Okay. Okay, better to solve it. Better we will solve this particular. Let us apply it for this particular, not this. Our routine string first will apply it. We'll apply it for this particular string. The name itself suggests least recently used. Okay. So bracket में हम LRU कहेंगे. The first three page fault will definitely occur. So page fault is there. Now least recently सबसे पुराना कौन सा है? So 3 is the latest, 2 is the latest. So 1 is the least recently. So 1 is replaced by 4. 2 and
Screen is not visible.
screen is not visible. Okay, just a minute. मैंने present नहीं की थी screen. That is the problem. Okay, I hope it's visible now. Okay, this is the string we are talking about, the original string, 3 number of frames, and the algorithm is least recently used, that is LRU page replacement algorithm. For the first 3, page fault will definitely occur. Okay, now here 1 was there, but we have replaced 1 with 4. The reason behind is 1 was the least recently used, सबसे पहले long back use हुआ था. That's why we replaced 1 with 4. Now here 3 and 4 are recently used. 2 were used long back, so we'll replace 2 with 1. Again page fault will occur. Now 2 is not there, so 1 and 4 are recently used. We'll have to replace 3 with 2. Page fault occurs. Then here 2 and 1 are recently used, so replace 4 with 5. Now 1 is already there, 2 is already there, 3 is not there. So here we have used 1 and 2 recently. 5 we have not used long back, so replace 5 with 3, 1 and 2 as it is. Page fault occurs. Here 2 and 3 are recently used, so replace 1 with 4. Page fault will occur. 3 and 4 recently used, replace 2 with 5. Page fault will occur. Number of page faults are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Total number of page faults are 10. Okay. Now apply the similar one with 4 number of frames. Let us see how many pitch faults will occur. Are you getting it all? सबको समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं? हाँ या ना? Please reply quickly. Okay, good. Now, if number of frames are 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, pitch fault will occur. 1 is already there, 2 is already there, 5 least recently used, 1 used, 2 used, 4 used, 3 were used long back, so replace 3 with 5. 1, 2, 5, 4. Pitch fault occurs. 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is not there. Which one was used long back? 4 was used long back. 1, 2. Replace 4 with 3. Again a pitch fault occurs. Then again we require 4. Which one was used long back? 1, 2, 3 recently used. 5 was used long back. So replace 5 with 4. Pitch fault occurs. And again 4, 3, 2 used recently. 1 was the oldest one, so replace 1 with 5. Again a pitch fault will occur. Now check total number of pitch faults. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total number of pitch faults are 8. Okay, so I hope you have understood it. Now please apply the same algorithm for this particular string. ये जो 7 वाला string है, apply the same algorithm for this particular string. Use 3 number of frames and 4 number of frames, and tell me the number of page faults. This is the homework for all of you. Okay, ये आप लोगों का homework है. Tell me how many number of page faults are occurred with 3 number of frames and 4 number of frames when the string is this particular one, 701 wala. Okay, the last concept of this particular unit is remaining. So in the next lecture we'll finish this one, and with this unit number 4 will also over. Now we have left with only one unit, that is unit number 5, which is all about process synchronization. So probably in the next week we'll be able to finish our syllabus also. I have covered you all the algorithms, 100% of the algorithms we have covered in a very detailed manner, almost everything. And till next week we will be able to complete our entire syllabus of 6 units. So that's all from my side. Thank you very much for attending class. We'll see next concept in the next lecture. Thank you all.